This is an emerging technology review of utipu Knowledge Networking Platform. I'm Kitty Deal, and I'll be walking you through this presentation using the very application under review. utipu is a Web 2.0 screen capture application with voiceover and editing capabilities. After an easy download from the utipu website, PC users are able to use the tip cam to video whatever is happening on their screen with a simple click of a button. It was designed to help others, and the idea behind the name utipu is that you can help you by sharing tips between users. utipu was the brainchild of a group of colleagues in Florida who had worked together over the years and were known to be good with computers and software applications. You can read their story on the blog if you're interested. utipu was founded in concept in April 2007 with a single objective: to alleviate the pain and frustration associated with sharing knowledge, especially having to share the same knowledge over and over. The developers knew the best way to stop having to repeat themselves was to show people what to do on the computer, as well as to tell them the directions. After 9 months of stealth development, utipu was launched in February 2008. utipu is a great tool for show and tell from a user's desktop. In fact, the utipu byline is, see what I'm saying? By capturing video of the screen with the tip cam, users can share tips, explain computer and application directions, show navigation through a website, use it with a voiceover presentation like I'm doing right now, and show others how to retrieve and fill out forms online. But the best thing about utipu is that it's a free application. The TipCam standard level, which is what is used here, is fine for individual or educational use. But if individuals or businesses want to upgrade to the professional version, they can pay $99. This fee provides the paying user with TipCam Pro, which allows for commercial use, removal of the watermark, and increased resolution. utipu is readily available for download from the utipu.com website, so it's readily accessible to anyone with internet access. The directions for use are as easy as 1, 2, 3, and as you see here, they have utipu video tutorials showing users how to download and install the application, how to record, zoom and draw, and then how to upload and share the information with others. Now, when I think of accessibility, I also think of the Americans with Disabilities Act, or the ADA, which requires equal access to individuals with disabilities, and this includes websites. utipu does not automatically provide captioning to the video. However, thanks to accessibility upgrades to YouTube, users can upload a utipu video to YouTube, which will then automatically caption the video. However, users should know that captioning takes processing time and also depends on voice recognition software, so the captioning may not be perfect. This application is easy for PC users, but presently is not available for Macs. In fact, the utipu website has posted that although often requested, the company is just not big enough to take the time to develop the program for Macs. The site also shows that utipu was last updated in 2008, but input and problems reporting are encouraged so that the application can be improved when needed. utipu offers support in a second language, but not Spanish, just Swedish. However, the developers are working on developing Spanish support. The interactivity for utipu is great. Using active screen capture for directions increases user-to-user communication, enhances user content understanding by providing verbal directions with visual cues, and it's very easy to post and embed from YouTube. If using a PC, utipu doesn't require any special computer equipment, but of course you do need internet access and a microphone if you're going to use the voiceover. Users control utipu by mouse or by using function buttons on the TipCam display box. It really is as simple as just clicking on an icon to start, stop, play, save, or put the file in the trash to try again. utipu provides many services for a fee, as you can see here on the left of the screen. But it supports the open source use of Web 2.0 by keeping the TipCam standard as an option for public use. They were recognized by PC Magazine and included in the listing of Best Free Software of 2009. The educational applications for utipu are the same as for general users, but screen captures can also be used to provide visual and verbal feedback and grading explanations, and to post information in computer management systems like Blackboard and Moodle. Now, like most free applications, utipu has some problems, but nothing that should keep any user from trying the screen capture application. I had some problems with PowerPoint slide advancement, and interestingly enough, the best microphone for recording with utipu was the one built into my laptop. utipu viewers will always see the trade name and control panel unless a user is willing to pay the price for the upgrade. Well, there are great reasons to use utipu, and my favorite is the highlighted cursor, so that when you're online trying to show which buttons to push, you can see where the cursor's moving. The online utipu tutorials show you just how easy this free program can be to use. So, overall, I recommend that you give utipu a try. I think you'll be pleased with the result. Thanks for listening.